That's a nose. Kind of like spitting. I gotta poop. I gotta poop. I gotta burp for poopinator. We were doing it for a while, poopinator. It's fine. People have come and gone. I remembered. Yay! Thank you.
Romy.
Anything for shoe crow.
Romy.
Okay. I'm trying to work up a big one. So I'm actively doing that. I definitely wanna. We'll end on a big one, big monster burp. I feel like there's another one that's stuck though. That one felt really good. We need a Kimycola mukbang. A mukbang of what? Can you burp Colin?
Colin.
Food challenge? What food challenge? I already did the 1 chip challenge. It sucked.
Colin.
What's up, Tanvir? Was in here last night begging for money. Tanvir is back again begging for money. We love you, Tanvir.
Tanvir.
Huge burp, Colin. I had one, but I lost it. Isn't that crazy how that works? That is so loud. Rude. The 1 chip challenge I did. It's on my YouTube channel.
Colin.
Okay, I'm out of here, guys. Thanks, everybody. One last huge burp. That's what they all say.